You're rushing out of your house, you jump into your car, your boss is calling, you're late for work, and your phone's still ringing. You try to check your phone, you hit ignore, and you hit 5 minutes out from work, you hear thump, 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 thump. Pull over on the side of the road, you have a flat tire. I was about 10 years old when my stepfather taught me the difference between the flat tire, ball tire, and how much pressure a tire is supposed to have. I'm sure we all was taught this way by some by our parents and some by friends, loved ones, and co-workers. Today I'm going to be discussing the proper checks of inflation of a tire, tire agent, and also tire treads. Tires are not only important that you check on your car, but they're something that you should do monthly to ensure that they're good, and also check if you're going on a long trip by checking these tires. According to the National Highway Transportation Safety Administration, 9% of tire-related accidents are caused by blowouts or bald tires or not having enough air in the tires. The United States Justice Department of Energy states that if your tires are properly inflated, that you can you get better gas mileage out of those tires. Now that we talked about how and what reason why we should check our tires, now let's begin with inflation. Checking the inflation of the tires is not only good for fuel efficiency, but it also provides if the tire is actually balanced out, it helps you to be safe while you're driving the vehicle. The Department of Motor Vehicles website states that you should check your vehicle manual book, and tells you like exactly how much PSI or how much air you should have in your tire. And the way that you do that is go to an actual store, local store, or either you can go to an AutoZone and buy yourself a tire pressure. And the way that you check your tires is you actually you take off your stud. I'm going to show you here. Okay, here we go. I'm moving kind of slow here. Okay. What you're doing, you're taking off the tip. You're placing your tire pressure gauge on there. And once you push down there, it actually pushes up and tells you how much actual pressure you have inside of your tire. Okay, once you do that, then it should be good to go. But if you need air, what you need to do is go down to your local gas station and get air. Then you can check your air, check the PSI inside at the local gas station. All right, our next step we'll be talking about is the aging of the tire. Even though your tire, some tires may look like they're new, have good threads and everything, but the age of the tire can be off. By checking the age of the tire, you have to have the tire identification number, and the tire identification number actually tells you the manufacturer of the tire, where the tire is manufactured, and also the serial number of the tire and the year and the week the tire is actually made. And the way that you figure that out, what the year and the week the tire is made, is you have to find that 10 on the outside of your tire. Here's one way how to check. I hope you can see it. And to give you that 4-digit, here you can see it says 3816. That means this tire was made on the 38 week and 2016. Also too, you can look in your VIN numbers. It'll tell you too, not VIN number, look in your car manufacturer book. It'll tell you actually how long your tires are actually supposed to stay on your vehicles, whether with aging, because sometimes your tires can last up to 6 to 10 years, and that's when you want to actually make sure you change them out, because you don't just have a tire with lots of threads that can easily blow out too if the agings are bad. on it. Our next step is going to talk about tires. To talk about the treads of the tires. One way that you can figure out if the treads are bad on your tires is you get a penny with Lincoln Head on it, and what it actually does is it'll tell if a tire is supposed to be actually like 1/3 inch high when it's new, and if it's 2 32 short, that means that the tire is gone bad. And one way that you can check it is with this penny, Lincoln penny. I'll show you here. So what you're doing, you place a penny inside of the tire, in the groove of the tire. If you see the head, the tire is bad. If you don't see the head, the tire is good. So if you see the head, what you need to be doing is taking your car down to the local tire place and get a new tire. Now that we all are familiar with the tires, we should be good to go with our trips. If we're taking trips, we want to make sure our tires are good. In conclusion, as you may know, the tires are made all over the world by different manufacturers, and also different types and different styles. And what we need to do is ensure that we perform pre-maintenance on our vehicle tires to ensure that they don't ball, they have enough air in them, and that will help us and also help our family to stay safe. So let's prevent blowouts, flat tires, and pick up our manual and check out all 4 our tires out. Thanks.